Okay, now we're going to start with our red words, our visual portion of it. I'm going to give you a word, and you're going to lock and load it, and then arm tap it out. Okay?
Okay.
All right. First word is great. Lock and load.
Great. G-R-E-A-T. Great.
All right. Much. Lock and load.
Much. M-U-C-H. Much.
Good job. And the next word, always. Lock and load.
Always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always.
All right, good job. Now, and with these, I cannot show you the word. You got to spell from memory. You're going to lock and load and spell from memory, okay?
Okay.
First word, such. Lock and load.
Such. S-U-C-H. Such.
Good. Off. Lock and load.
Off. O-F-F. Off.
Good. And the last word, also. Lock and load.
Also. A-L-O-S. Also.
Now let's try also one more time. Lock and load.
Also. A-L.
So.
S-O. Also.
Good job. Okay. Now we're going to teach you a new red word, and our new red word for today is against. I am against the war. Can you give me a sentence using against?
I threw the ball against the wall.
Good job. Excellent. Now I would like you to write the word on the red screen using a red crayon. Trace it 2 times with the red crayon and say each letter while you're tracing it.
Okay. A. G. A. I. N. S. T.
One more time. Say the whole word. What is the word?
Against.
Okay. Trace it one more time.
A. G. A. I. N. S. T.
All right, good job. Now we're going to lock and load and arm tap that word out, okay?
Okay.
So, against. Lock and load.
Against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against.
Again, one more time. Lock and load against.
A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against.
And one more time. Lock and load against.
Against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against.
Good job. Now I'd like you to trace it with using your finger and say each letter as you trace it. And I want you to do that 3 times.
A-G.
Touch it.
A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against.
Once more.
A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against.
All right, now let's try writing it in big letters in the sky. Hold your arm up. 3 times.
A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against.
Good job. Now get your paper, and I want you to write against 3 times in the red, using your red crayon on the paper.
Okay.
Say it as you write it. Say each letter.
A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T against.
Good. Now let's turn your paper over. And I want you to write it. Here, you can use your pencil this time. Write it from memory. Against.
Against.
Say it while you write it.
A-G-A-I-N-S-T against.
Good job. Just one time. Now we're going to do some sentence dictation, okay?
Okay.
You're going to pound out the sentence and then you're going to write it after I say the sentence 2 times.
Okay.
So, don't press against the glass. Don't press against the glass. Ready? Pound.
Don't press against the glass.
Now you can write it. And remember, you're just pounding out each word. The second sentence, are you for or against his speech? Are you for or against his speech? Pound it out.
Are you for, against?
Let's try one more time. Are you for or against his speech?
Are you for or against his speech?
And don't forget your punctuation. What goes at the end of that sentence?
A question mark.
Good job.
Yes.
Now I want you to read the clean copy. Make sure you have the same thing that I said. Read this one.
Don't press against the glass. Are you for or against his speech?
Good job. You did a great job.